Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Lovewind KT000001 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. I have looked through the information available across the internet, checked its features and specifications, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on whether you should buy it or skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a convenient way to cool a bedroom, living room, apartment, or home office without installing a permanent air conditioner, this Lovewind Portable AC could be an interesting option. It delivers 10,000 BTU of cooling power and is designed for spaces up to 450 square feet. According to the manufacturer, this unit can cool temperatures down to 63 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you plenty of cooling potential when the weather gets seriously hot. Of course, actual cooling performance will depend on things like room size, insulation, sunlight, and outdoor temperature, but the 10,000 BTU rating makes this a reasonably powerful portable option. One of the biggest advantages is its 4-in-1 functionality. This isn't just an air conditioner. It can also work as a fan and dehumidifier while offering a dedicated sleep mode. The dehumidifying function can remove up to 76 pints of moisture per day, according to the product information. That could be particularly useful if you live somewhere hot and humid, because lowering humidity can make a room feel considerably more comfortable. The sleep mode is another feature that makes sense for bedroom use. Instead of simply running at full power throughout the night, the unit is designed to automatically adjust the temperature and fan speed. Lovewind also describes this mode as quieter and more energy efficient, which can help make nighttime operation more comfortable. Installation is another area where this portable AC is designed to be convenient. Lovewind says the unit can be installed in about 10 minutes without tools. The package includes a window kit designed for most sliding and hinged windows. You connect the exhaust hose, secure the window kit, plug the unit in, and you can start cooling. That portability is probably one of the strongest reasons to consider this type of air conditioner. Built-in caster wheels allow you to roll the unit from one room to another. You could use it in your bedroom at night, move it to the living room during the day, and take it into a home office when you're working. You don't need to install a separate AC in every room. However, there are a few things you should know before buying. A portable air conditioner still needs to exhaust hot air through a window, so proper installation of the hose and window kit is important. You should also remember that portable AC performance isn't the same as a professionally installed central or split system. If your room is poorly insulated, receives lots of direct sunlight, or has high heat loads, cooling performance may be different from what you expect. The 450 square foot rating should also be treated as a guideline rather than a guarantee. A well-insulated 450 square foot room may cool very differently from a poorly insulated room of the same size. So before buying, think about your actual room conditions, not just the advertised coverage number. So, after looking through the information available online, would I recommend the Lovewind KT000001? For the right buyer, yes. If you need portable cooling for a bedroom, apartment, living room, or office and don't want permanent installation, this unit offers a useful combination of power and convenience. The 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, 4-in-1 operation, dehumidifier, sleep mode, included window kit, and rolling wheels make it a versatile choice. I especially like the fact that you can move it between rooms instead of buying multiple air conditioners. I would skip it if you're trying to cool a very large open area, or if you expect the performance and efficiency of a permanent AC system. But for a suitable sized room where flexibility is important, this Lovewind model is worth considering. Overall, the Lovewind KT000001 looks like a practical portable cooling solution with a strong set of features. My advice is to compare the current price with other 10,000 BTU portable AC units before purchasing. But if the price is competitive and you need flexible cooling, I think it's a solid option. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more honest product reviews.